Hello, dear students. Today we will study the classification of class Reptilia of phylum Chordata. The class name refers to the mode of locomotion, that is repair or raptum, to creep or crawl, means रेंगकर चलने वाले प्राणी. Reptiles are first chordate that can live outside water. They share some common characters with species, amphibians, apes and mammals. Study of reptile is known as herpetology. These are first chordate that can live on land. These are terrestrial, creeping or burrowing, carnivores, air-breathing, cold-blooded oviparous and tetrapodal vertebrate. Body is bilaterally symmetrical and divisible into four regions: head, neck, trunk and tail. Tail is without caudal fin. Limbs are of two pair and limbs are pentadactyl, means 5 digits are present in limbs. However, limbs are absent in a few lizards and all snakes. Exoskeleton of horny epidermal scale, shields, plates and scutes. Skin is dry, cornified and devoid of any gland, but only one gland, that is femoral gland, is present near the anus of lizard. Heart is usually three-chambered, four-chambered in crocodile. RBCs are oval and nucleated. Two systematic arch present. Sinus venosus is reduced. Respiration takes place by means of lung. Kidney is metanephric. Excretory product is uric acid. So these animals are known as uricotalic. 12 pair of cranial nerves are present in these animals. Jacobson organ present in the roof of the mouth. Jacobson organ identify the type of food present in the buccal cavity, whether it is palatable or not. मुंह में खाने के प्रकार को पहचानता है कि यह खाने योग्य है कि नहीं है. Sexes are separate. Reproductive system, excretory system and digestive system opens into a single opening, that is cloaca. Cloaca is the posterior orifice that serves as the only opening for the digestive, reproductive and urinary tract in amphibians, reptiles, birds and few mammals. But in female fetus of mammals, that is in placental mammals, cloaca is present during the embryonic period, but at the time of birth it separates into the anus, vagina and urethra. Mostly oviparous, few viviparous. Fertilization is internal, no metamorphosis, development is direct, parental care is usually absent. Now the classification of class Reptilia. Class Reptilia is divided into 5 subclasses, that is anapsids, eurypsids, parapsids, synapsids and diapsids. Out of these 5 subclasses, animals of eurypsids, parapsids and synapsids become extinct. Now the subclass diapsid is further divided into 3 order, that is Rhynchocephalia, Squamata and Crocodilia. Squamata is further divided into 2 suborder, that is Lacertilia and Ophidia. Now, the classification of reptilia is based on the presence or absence of certain opening, that is temporal vacuities through the posterior lateral or temporal region of the skull. What are temporal vacuities? Generally, in reptiles with weak jaw and large head, the skull become too heavy for the neck to support it. Therefore, these vacuities developed in reptiles to lighten the skull and provide space for accommodating powerful jaw muscles. जिन रेप्टाइल्स में बड़े जॉज व लार्ज हेड प्रेजेंट होने की वजह से स्कल हैवी हो जाती है, जिसे नेक सपोर्ट नहीं कर पाती, तो रेप्टाइल्स ने स्कल को लाइट वेट प्रोवाइड करने तथा पावरफुल जॉस को अकोमोडेट करने के लिए टेम्पोरल वैक्यूटीज डेवलप हो जाती है. नाउ द क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ सब क्लास 1, that is anapsids. These are primitive reptile with a solid skull roof and no temporal openings are present in these organisms. Subclass anapsids consist of one order, that is Chelonia or Testudinata. Animals of this suborder are short, broad and oval. Limb is clawed or webbed, paddle-like. Body encased in a dorsal carapace and ventral plastron made of dermal bony plates. Skull anapsid with a single nasal opening and without a parietal foramen. Teeth is absent. Heart is divided incompletely into heart is divided incomplete, four-chambered with a partly divided ventricle. Example are chelone and testudo. In this slide, you can see the testudo and chelone Testudo is terrestrial while Chelone is aquatic. Now we come to the classification of subclass 2, 3 and 4. Animals of these subclasses becomes extinct means विलुप्त हो चुके हैं. So we come to the classification of subclass 5, that is diapsid. In the animals of this subclass, skull with two temporal vacuities is present on either side, and it is separated by the bar of postorbital and squamosal bone. It consists of three orders, that are Rhynchocephalia, Squamata and Crocodilia. Now we come to the order second, that is Rhynchocephalia. Body is small, elongated and lizard-like, limb-clawed, pentadactyl and burrowing. Skin is covered by granular scale and a mid-dorsal row of spine. Skull is of diapsid type. Heart is completely four-chambered. Example is Tuatara, Hateria or Sphenodon punctatum. Sphenodon is commonly known as living fossil, that is Jivit Jivashma. Now the order 3, that is Squamata. These animal of this order are advanced, small to medium, elongated, limb clawed, absent in snakes and few lizards, exoskeleton of horny epidermal scale, shields and spine, skull is diapsids. This order consists of two suborder, that is Lacertilia and Ophidia. Lacertilia में lizards आती हैं और Ophidia में snakes आते हैं. Now the suborder Lacertilia. Limbs and girdles well developed, eyelids movable, nictating membrane present, ear opening and tympanic membrane. Tympanum is present, tongue rarely notches or extensible, both lungs equally developed. This slide shows the Varanus, which is commonly known as monitor lizard, Draco known as flying lizard, Hemidactylus, which is commonly known as wall lizard or house lizard, and chameleon, which is commonly known as garden lizard. Now we come to the next suborder, that is Ophidia, in which snakes come. Limbs and girdles absent, eyelid fixed, nictating membrane absent, ear opening and tympanum absent. Tongue is bifid and extensible, left lung greatly reduced. This slide shows some common examples of snakes. Now we come to the next order, that is Crocodilia. Animals of this order are large size, aquatic and carnivorous reptiles. Tail long, strong and laterally compressed, limbs short but powerful, clawed and webbed, skin thick with scale, bony plates and scutes are Skull is of diapsid type. Teeth are numerous and thecodont means teeth are firmly attached with the jawbone. Heart is completely four-chambered. Common example are crocodile and gharials. Thanks.